Hey there, I'm one of Sidewalk Food Tour's resident mixologists and lead tour guides, and I'm here to introduce you to our virtual experiences. Our virtual mixology class and our virtual cooking competition are the perfect way to gather your team or your private group so that you can have a fun, engaging experience from the privacy, the comfort, and the safety of your own space. During our virtual mixology class, you're going to learn how to make a host of tasty cocktails. Then you're going to sit back and relax while we enjoy our virtual happy hour and learn about the history and lore of alcohol, cocktails, and some world-famous bars, all while weaving in some fun games and team-building activities. 4 slices of cucumber, not going to be shy about it. These are big pieces of basil. And again, this is to taste, so you want to figure out what you like and shake it like crazy. So nice. Cheers. There's 3 components to every good cocktail. It's alcohol, acid, and sugar. We're gonna talk fresh fruit and fresh herbs. Fantastic. Now, this is the fun part. We're gonna give it just a little taste. You guys tell me or tell yourself if you think it's too sweet, too citrusy, too boozy. And then we just adjust. If it's too boozy or too citrusy, just add a splash of sweetener in there.
Tequila is my favorite with Margarita, so it's
We
very
use
natural.
strawberries for the sweetener.
Throw some strawberries in there, muddle it a little bit, or just shake the hell out of it. Now you've got a beautiful strawberry margarita, so it's all beautiful, guys. Absolutely. If you guys are doing both, save one for midway through, or drink both, and just pound them now.
I just kind of question Charlie, who says he's making 2 for, his,
Yeah, right.
Hold on, here she is. Here she is.
I think he's just lining up 4 cocktails for himself.
Cheer these. Nice. Cool. For that is that beer provided necessary calories, nutrition, hydration to this large workforce that was building the pyramids. And beer, actually, one of the funny thing about beer and alcohol back in the day, it was safer to drink than water. On his legendary ride to warn about the British invasion, Paul Revere stopped off at Isaac Hall's house to have a couple of slugs of rum. Now, did the rum help him make his legendary ride? I would like to think so. So let's all give a cheers to Paul Revere and the fact that he was a total booze hound and he needed to stop for some rum. In 1820, it was only 25 cents per gallon to make whiskey. So really cheap. So therefore really profitable. Wood grain gin, turpentine, oil of vitriol, and strychnine, which is essentially poison. So they were drinking poison. And this had a similar effect as today's meth, if you could believe it. And that's why a lot of saloon culture was really rowdy.
And one is like, what does the vermouth add to the equation?
Yeah.
The second is like, is there a secret? Like, how do I make a perfect dirty martini?
Aim of the olives. So my fiance loves the same drink as your partner does. Make for really good dirty martinis. And I think a lot of higher end bars use that type of olive. That's going to probably get you as close to cocktail bar standard as possible.
What is the current in vogue cocktail right now?
I think mezcal's having a big moment.
Yep.
I really think it is. I think that gin is having a bit of a resurgence.
Yeah, Stefan is straight up Puerto Rican and amazing, so she's basically half rum.
Love it. So you have half blood and half rum. Now let me throw it on over to our Chop champion, Chef Eliza, so that she can tell you a little bit about our virtual cooking competition.